June 1st, Global Day of Parents. Chinmaya Vidyalaya article appreciates all parents for their selfless commitment to children and their lifelong sacrifice towards nurturing their relationship. So we are here with an online safety self-assessment tool and tips for parents. As the coronavirus pandemic continues, schools are moving to digital learning. Your kids may be spending more time online. How do you ensure they are safe online? Here are some protective steps to keep your child as safe as possible. Establish a good relationship with your children. Don't allow your children to provide personal information online. Make your children aware of the dangers of interacting online. Help children to use the internet in a valuable way. Guide your children to access the devices in the public area of the home where it is easily accessible by everyone. Parental controls are features which may be included in computer and mobile devices that allow parents to restrict the access of content to their children. To set up parental controls in Android phones, go to the Play Store app. Select the menu button on the top. Select the settings option. Scroll down. You can now see parental controls are off. Select that. Enable parental control by tapping on the radio button. You will be now promoted to create a PIN. Click on the OK button. Confirm your PIN again. Click on the OK button. Now you can see that parental controls are on. You can now set restrictions for apps, games and music accessed through Play Store. Now we can enable our mobile to require the Google account password when making purchases. Go to the Play Store app. Select the menu button on the top. Select the settings option. Scroll down and you can see require authentication for purchases. Select that. You have to select the option for all purchases through Google Play on this device, where all purchases are allowed after inputting your password. To set the parental controls in Windows 10, Microsoft Family is used. A family group keeps kids safer on Windows 10. Log into the account with administrator rights from desktop. Click on the Windows icon on the bottom left of the screen. Click on the Settings option. Click on the Account section. Click on the Family and Other Users tab and click on the Add a Family Member link. Click on Add a Member and enter your Microsoft email address and click Next. If your child does not have a Microsoft email address, click on Create an email address for a child. So you have to register an email account here. So I have given one name here. Click on the Next button. So you can click on claim one of these that's available. So these three email addresses are available. So I have clicked on the first one. Click on the Next button. So you have to create a password here. Okay, then click on the next button. You have to enter the first name. Enter the last name. Click on the next button. You have to enter the country India, then the birth date. Click on the next button. So here you have to enter your country. So click here. Select the option India and enter your phone number here. Click on Send Code. So the code is 3894. Click on the next button. Make a note of the Microsoft Family web address which you will be using to monitor and alter your child's account. So you can see that Veda joined your family as a child. Click on the close button. So you can see that Veda had been added to your family member account. You will now be on the online platform where you will manage the settings of your child's account. Click on Manage Family Settings Online. Click on the activity link. Here you can set your reports, see your child's web searches, web browsing, apps and games, and overall screen time. Click on the screen time link. You will see the screen time for each device your child's account uses. You can set limits on these devices by activating Screen Time Limits toggle button. Click on Content Restrictions. We can set what your child can purchase, age limits for games and apps, block applications and block websites, or set a list of websites that are accessible